5 things I would never do if I were a renter or a tenant. I'm Monique Burns and I am a landlord in Detroit, Michigan. Number 1, let's just start with viewing the house that you want to rent. I'm going to give you 2 in this one. I would never have my phone against my ear for the entire tour, and I would never point out to the landlord the things that still need to be done in the house. And then with the application process, this may surprise you, I would never leave any of the sections of it blank. If it asks for 3 pay stubs, I would put in 3. If it asks for my prior landlord's phone number, I would make sure I absolutely have my prior landlord's phone number correct. And the reason is, if there is something about you that the landlord does not like, and they don't really want to tell it to you because they know you're going to argue with them or not like to hear it, they will say, "Oh, I'm sorry, your application was incomplete." I would never do anything that would cause public record. Now, it's obvious, like go to jail, you have a felony, it's on your record. That's not even what I'm talking about. I am talking about every time your landlord was irritated with you and they took you to court. That's public record. Even if you didn't get evicted, even if you paid them, even if the case was dismissed, landlords look at that and they're like, wow, this person was annoying. What else is there that could be on Google? How about what you've posted on your profile pictures on Facebook? Those things are all public record. Or traffic violations. Did you know that's public record? I can pull up people's name in Detroit and I can see their whole list of traffic violations. And if they have some that are personal pet peeves of mine, my personal pet peeve is standing. Standing is when you're in moving traffic and you stop your car to like maybe let someone out and other cars are piled up behind you, like, why is this person stopped? If I were a tenant, I would never be difficult about repairs in the house. It is so hard to get a repairman or a contractor to come to your house. I would never be difficult and say, oh, well, you've got 2 minutes because I'm about to go to work. I would have to do that leap of faith and let them in and get it done because I really want my lease renewed. I would never forget to fill out the inventory checklist, because if I don't fill that out in the beginning when I move in and I end up in court and the landlord is like, you did this problem, Monique, because I have the inventory checklist, I can say, no, look at the inventory checklist. We both signed it. This was already there before I moved in. But without that, you're out of luck. Those are the 5 things I would never do.